Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I have done a vlog. There is a Christmas tree behind me. I think the last vlog was Santa Claus related or something like that. But yes, it's been a while. So today I decided to vlog. Today we are actually headed to Valkenburg, which is one of the best Christmas markets in the Netherlands and also probably in the Europe. The reason being, this Christmas market is actually underground. It is in the caves. It's quite famous and it is just 1.5 hours away from where I am staying. So there is no reason for us to not go there. And of course, I will be taking you guys all along as we explore the Christmas market, Santa's village, and whatever Valkenburg has to offer. So let's go. You have to book a slot to come to this Christmas market because clearly you can see that is such a big line and also to go inside. So just to manage the crowds, they kind of give you a slot in which you can come. We have come like really late from what our slot was there. But at least it guarantees that they are maintaining the crowds and the number of people that are at a time inside the caves. But let's go. I clearly get it why they send people in slots. We are like in the last of the slots, but still there are a lot of people. Probably because we have come on a Saturday, but it is cute. It's amazing. It's not like but it's very cute. We have done our Christmas shopping, so now next stop in any Christmas market is food. So let's go. Kid you not when I say that this is really huge. There is an entire restaurant that is inside. Let me show you. Of course, when you are in a Christmas market, it's a market to buy things and all sorts of things. But here, the range of things that are there, the shops for different type of things that are there is just insane. There is a shop for scarves and all the Christmassy things, of course, but also for like bedspreads and cheeses and what have you. You can see there are like home related stuff also, food related stuff also, jewelry also, and also lots and lots of knickknacks. Did I come into the Christmas market thinking that I'm not going to buy things that I don't need because it's just waste of money? Yes. Did I follow that rule? Absolutely no, because this place is so cute. It has such cutesy things, like I got some bracelets, I got some shiny objects, I got all those things and I'm very happy. So those are not a waste of money. Done quite a bit of shopping and now we are heading out to see the Santa's village, but this was really big Christmas market and I will never forget this Christmas market because I actually met one of my subscribers here and she was such an amazing person. Vidya, if you're watching this, remember you made my day. And I was so shy while talking to her. I am a Maharashtrian, originally a proud Marathi Indian woman, and when somebody from your community comes and appreciates you, you feel like the next level. I have met other subscribers also, but I don't know, today's was special. Thank you, Vidya, you made my day today. Anyways, now with all that happiness in my heart, we are headed to Santa's village, which again is supposed to be super cute. Let's see. You know, we watch all those Christmas movies with those cutesy Christmas towns. I'm in one right now. I can never eat one of these. I don't know how to eat them, but I love it. Santa's village was pretty much like any other Christmas market with a few huts selling a few things. Yeah. So I decided just to eat some food, and there was one thing that I wanted which I seen in Germany's Christmas market. I was not sure if I would find it here, but I did find it. There was a bit of a communication. I was like trying to ask the female like whether it is the same thing, and finally I just asked if it's vegetarian, and she said yes. Okay, I was like give it to me, but it was the same thing that I wanted. It's basically deep fried potatoes. I don't know what it is called, but it tastes really amazing. And for one day in this cold, I think it is okay to eat deep fried potatoes. But that's it from this Christmassy vlog. Let me know how did you like it in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.